Welcome to Investing in the Ghana Stock Exchange, a beginner's guide brought to you by Finex Insights. We will show you how to build wealth on the Ghana Stock Exchange, GSE. The Ghana Stock Exchange, GSE, is the principal stock exchange of Ghana, established in 1989. It is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission and is a marketplace where you can buy and sell shares of over 30 listed companies and government securities. Investing in the GSE allows Ghanaians to build wealth and earn passive income. You benefit from capital growth as share prices appreciate and gain dividend income from listed firms that pay regular dividends. Every share you buy goes through 4 key steps. First, you open a CSD account. Second, you place your order. Third, the trade executes. Finally, you settle and own the shares. The GSE offers 2 main types of securities. Equities or shares represent ownership in a company, offering dividends and price appreciation. Bonds are debt instruments from the government or corporations that pay fixed interest and return the principal at maturity. Market performance is tracked using 2 main indices. The GSE Composite Index, GSECI, offers a market-wide snapshot. The GSE Financial Stocks Index, GSEFSI, focuses on banks and financial services firms. Use these to gauge market momentum before you invest. Remember, all investing carries risk. To manage it, spread your money across different stocks and sectors. Invest only what you can afford to leave untouched for years, and never borrow money to buy shares. Risk and reward are related. Higher risk investments often aim for higher rewards, such as significant capital growth. Conversely, lower risk investments tend to offer more steady income through dividends or interest. Starting your investment journey involves simple steps. Choose a GSE licensed broker, open a CSD account, fund it, and place your first buy order. Start small and grow your portfolio as you learn. Thank you for watching this Finex Insights video. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Finex Insights, or follow us on X. See you in the next video.